guys, all of my fidgets ran away. I need to go and find them. I have my bucket, and let's go. While I'm looking around, I see my puppet taking a nap. Come on. There's one down. Simple Dimple, are you trying to read? Oh my gosh. Let's go look over here. And I see... Oh, my phone's dying. Okay. I see a pig splat bowl. Go in there. I'm waddling around and I see my squid, Zeta, chilling in the laundry. No. I come over here looking around and I see my Nito under, he died, under the piggy bank. That's a few down. Let's see if any are in the picture. Mochi? Yeah, I'll just leave you alone. Who's in the shower? My girl. Poppet, you can't take a shower. You don't have arms. Okay, come on, Mochi. You gotta come with me. I got Mochi. Okay, I come over here and I see a wacky track on the fan. Weirdo. Fidget Cube, you ate all the cookies. You're grounded. And I see him down here. I bet he was trying to eat the Fidget Cube's cookies. Okay, let's go find some more. Puppet, you're coming with me. Are you guys trying to get to the mayo? Come here. Even you, Yertle. Okay, get in there. Ah! Fidget Cube? I'm not gonna ask. Okay guys, that was all my fidgets.